So I bought a 2022 Mustang GT Premium, and I've been told by a lot of people, and from what I've read online, that these are about 10 horsepower less than the 2021. Well, that's because of a California emissions control thing that they decided to put into these cars. I found a video of a Mach 1 that had a sleeve built into here, and that was causing it. But obviously my setup is different, so when I took it apart, directly underneath this lid on the top side was that filter right there. It is a carbon filter, and it is very restrictive. I stuck it to the side of a squirrel cage fan, and it just about killed the fan. So I'm hoping taking that out is going to get the extra 10 horsepower that the 2022 is lacking over the 2021. I hope this helps. So just to go over real quick how I got this filter out of the lid of the air intake. There's actually clips, plastic clips that hold a little cage over this thing. And if you take the clips and pinch them at this part and in the middle, you can lift the plastic cage up just high enough so you can slide this out. You're not going to be able to take that plastic cage off without drilling, because they put some studs in there that are permanent. But you can slide the filter out, and that opens up a ton of breathing inside the box there. So give that a try.